Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Bonjour, hello. This is kind of like a part 3 of this snowy stuff. I'm gonna go skiing in that. Just getting ready and still snowing pretty heavy, so normally I would just be skiing with this inner jacket which suffices for most stuff, but when it does get very snowy I'll put the full jacket on. And what that does is it's a material that's the snow kind of bounces off as opposed to sticks to it, so much more practical for skiing in these conditions. So, onward!
Bye bye wall!
So just heading up the first lift and yeah, it's snowy. I managed to avoid the queues, stopped for a quick ride coffee, and I'm just going to go and check out where this is. So far, looking at people, they seem to be skiing well, which means the conditions are easy, but they're skiing slow, which means the snow is slow. So I'll go and try it out for myself. Okay, so just working off the GoPro. I've been up the top, you can see nothing. There's nothing videoable there. So I'm just going to do a quick descent down just now. There's no fast stuff because one, the snow's not fast, and also there's a lot of people about. But also, there's a lot of stuff to play with. So let's go and see what's what. I'm just going to do this one little run down because the GoPro's just going to get choked with it. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. A lot of people coming up. Just missed the queues. All the chairs full. Bit of ice underneath. But quite nice. Let's go to the sides. Always go to the sides to check out what's happening. Wow! Powder! Yeah! Nice! Already a bit tracked out. Oh, drop off. This is lovely. See how the ski school's handling this. Instructor obviously no problem. Control the speed. Crash. C'est magnifique! C'est trop bon! C'est trop bon! Ouais, ouais. Okay, so that was a bit of a snowy affair. Covered in it, beard, a lot. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down there, like down there. Until the next video, ciao. Yeah, a bit snowed up.